Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hemraj Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Automation and Robotics, SIT College of Engineering at Chakranji. So, I am going to discuss how to write a research paper. Means in this PPT we are discuss how we have to write any research paper, what are the basic concept to write the research paper, what are the key contents, so that are the outlines. So first is the selection of research topic, structure of the paper, writing tips, importance of keywords. So selection of research topic. So how our problem is how we have to select the topic. So we have to select the relevant and interesting topic of our domain. Suppose if our domain is mechanical engineering, so we have to select the topic from the mechanical engineering in different specializations such as design, thermal, production, manufacturing, CAD/CAM, automation, robotics, etc. Suppose if our domain is computer science, so we have to select the topic from the field of the computer science like AI, ML, data science, cloud computing, etc. So means we have to choose the proper topic to write to write any research paper. So so after selection of the topic, we have to ensure the availability of resources. Means the what kind of resources we have to available to write the process. So we have to ensure that proper availability of the resources. Now we have to define the research problem. So so after the literature review, we have to find some research gap or research lag. So accordingly, we have to define our research problem, or sometimes we are means giving some new research problem. So what are the structure of the paper? So the basic structure of the research paper consists of the following contents: abstract, introduction, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion and references. So these are the basic structure of any research paper. So first one is the abstract. So abstract is the means uh, abstract consists of the background, objective, methodology, result, and conclusion. So most of the journal ask to limited abstract to 150 words. So we have to write the all those things in 150 words. So first we have to write the background or context, means we have to introduce a problem or research game. After that we have to write our aim of the study. Then we have to mention the different method or approach used to perform the experiment, and result and findings. So in abstract we have to write, or we have to present only important outcomes or key finding of our study. Then conclusion and significance. So we have to highlight the significance or contribution in one or two lines in the abstract. So our abstract should be or must be concise. Introduction. So introduction consists of background, problem statement, literature insight, objective and scope or significance of the our our study or our paper. So in the background consists of the overview of the research area. Means we have to write the overview or basic idea of the research topic or research area. Then the problem statement. So we have to define the specific issue or gap or research gap. Then accordingly we have to put the proper literature review from the existing work. Then we have to write down our objective of the study. Then after that we have to highlight the what are the importance, what are the contribution of the our work to the society, or to the uh, to the uh, to the country. Research methodology. So research methodology depend on the work. Sometimes it can be experimental, sometimes it can be analytical. So research methodology consists of research design, variable or parameters, data collection, procedure, analysis, methods. So research design. So it can be depend of the type of the study. Sometimes it can be experimental, sometimes it can be analytical, etc. Variable parameters. So we have to change the parameter. We have to change the input parameter, change the different process parameter, and accordingly we have to check. We have to means check their responses. Then data collection. So different method, different tools or instruments used to collect the all experimental or analytical data. And according to data, we have to write our result and discussion procedure. So we have to follow the step-by-step approach or workflow to write the our research paper or research journal. Analysis methods, technique used for data processing. So different we have to different use we are using use different statistical or optimization tool to write the any journal or any paper. Result and discussion. The structure of the results and discussion are maybe results, analysis, comparison, discussion, and implication. So it is the most important part of the any manuscript or any paper, because we have to put the what are the outcomes of the our study. So that needs the properly writing of properly writing skills concisely and precisely. So result is the key finding with data. Means we are using different table, we are using different graphs to show our result analysis. So we are using different interpretation and trends in our result comparison. So relate our result with the existing studies or expectation. So 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 it is the most important, because we have to compare our result with the existing. Means it will increase or decrease. What are what are the means how we have to means overcome the existing problem. So that are the important part. Then discussion. So we have to suppose if anything is increase or decrease or any performance improve. So we have to put the proper reason behind the all these outcomes. And last one is amplification. So we have to write down the significance of the finding in the field. Conclusion. So conclusion consists of summary of finding, achievement of the objective, contributions, implication, and future work. So in summary, we have to write down the key result of the study or experiment. Say achievement of the objective, whether aims we are means we have to write down our objective is met or not. Then contribution, we have to we have to write down the what are the contribution and innovation in the technology in the domain field. Then practical or theoretical significance. So we have to put the what are the significance of our study to the our means field or our domain. Then suggestion for future research. So we have to suggest for any future work or any future research. Referencing. So use proper citation. Means in a paper as per the journal requirement, we have to put the citations. Include bibliography. We are putting the proper bibliography of the author. Avoid citation error. Means we need to put the error very concisely and precisely. So we have to avoid the citation error. There are some writing tips for a research paper. First one is clarity, second one is structure, consistency, objectivity, conciseness, evidence-based, plagiarism-free, revision. So clarity. So by writing a paper, research paper, we are using simple and precise language. Means the word cannot be any complicated or unambiguous. Structure. So maintain the logical flow, and we have to divide the proper section. Means we means we avoid the very long paragraph. Means we have to proper proper sections, all paragraphs. Consistency, keep terminology, unit and style uniform. Means means our paper is uniform by using the different types, style and units. Objectivity, the objectivity or aim of the research paper, write in normal and unbiased tone. Conciseness, avoid unnecessary word or repetitions. Means we need to avoid some unnecessary word, and we cannot repeat the same word again and again. Okay, so try to avoid repetition. Evidence based, so support claims and data, support claims with data and citation. So we need to put proper citation of our result or our study. Plagiarism free, so we need to write the paper originally, and we do not copy any other author the documents. And suppose if we have to use any document, then we need to cite properly. Revision, so proof fraud, proof for grammar accuracy and coherence. So we need to check our grammar accuracy and coherence of the our paper. If now the keywords, so what are the importance of keywords? So basically the keywords is the keyword is used in any research paper for discoverability, indexing, relevance, visibility and research optimization. Discoverability means it helps to find our paper in a database in search engines. So so based on the discoverability, we need to put the important keyword of our paper. Indexing used for journal and platform to categorize your research. Relevance reflect the main topics and focus of the study. Visibility increase chances of citation and readership. Means if you have to put the proper keyword, then there is chance of citation and readership. Search optimization matches common term used by researcher. Thank you.